Not everyone who shits on you is your enemy, and not everyone who gets you out of the shit is your friend. A little bird in Russia refused to join the pack which was flying south for the winter. It refused to listen to its parents and elders, thinking it can tough it out. Winter came, and it was so cold, so the bird froze and fell to the ground, covered with the snow. A cow came by and dropped some dung on the bird. The pile of cow dung warmed the bird and brought it back to life. It lay there, all warm and happy, and soon began to sing for joy. A passing cat heard the bird singing, took the bird out of the pile of cow dung and ate it. This is a very short story, but teaches wonderful lessons of life. The first being, don't discount experienced advice of people who care for your success. The second being, not everyone who shits on you is your enemy. The third is, not everyone who gets you out of the shit is your friend. And the last but not least is, when you are in deep shit, it's best to keep your mouth shut. That's all for today. Thank you so much.